Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Contributed by Whole Foods Market, Inc. To prepare, soak Brussels sprouts in a bowl of cold, salted water for 20 minutes. Drain and trim the stem ends of the Brussels sprouts, pulling off any yellow outer leaves.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You could also overdo it on the fiber if you eat too many Brussels sprouts. Symptoms of too much fiber in your diet include bloating, gas, abdominal pain, constipation, and more unfortunate digestive side effects. 1 November 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Fit a large pot with a steamer insert, fill with water to bottom of insert. Cover, and bring to a boil. Add Brussels sprouts, and season with salt, steam, tossing halfway through, until bright green and just tender, 6 to 8 minutes.
Take our lead.
Roast the Brussels sprouts in the oven for added texture and flavor. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and toss the halved Brussels sprouts with olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Spread the seasoned Brussels sprouts on a baking sheet and roast them in the preheated oven until the vegetables have browned.
Let's help you make your mark.
To prep Brussels sprouts, cut off the stem end. If the sprouts are small, leave them whole before cooking. If they seem to be rather large or have a thick core, halve or quarter them into uniform pieces. To make these beautiful roasted Brussels sprouts, trim them but leave them whole.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.